Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Now you can say what is Python space cyber.py. Yeah, enter. See, came output came. Cyber is related to computer science terminology or information technology or virtual reality. This is the way we are creating file and reading the file, printing the file. That's all. Very good. Now, who is going to explain a presentation today? Still half an hour time is there. Please stop your screen, Nayan. Somebody is interested. Today they are going to execute or today they are going to explain their assignment. Who is ready to explain? Please respond. 39 students are there. Yesterday I have given homework. There is Diksha, Nagareddy Diksha. Hello? Why you people are not taking serious? If you want a job, you need to be serious in the cyber Shiksha training. Then only you will get the job. Who is Nagareddy Diksha? She is there, leaving. Why she is leaving? Next.
Sir, she has power cut in her area. She will join in 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, next one. Anybody is interested to present? Yeah. Who is that? Pravalika? Who is that? Please share your screen. Or shall I continue my topic? Tell me, whichever way you want. Shall I continue? Okay, listen. So Monday onwards, at least I am expecting from you. Okay? Monday onwards, I am expecting 8 questions from you. So next concept after Python, I'm going to explain concept. See, my screen is visible. Nayan, please respond.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yeah. So next module is the computer networks. What is a computer network definition? Collection of interconnected autonomous computers in a network in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network is called computer networks. How many types of networks? Local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, personal area network, storage area network, etc. Then there are 7 layers we are studying in these computer networks. The short form of computer networks is PDN, DSPA. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. Then followed by the tools and techniques. Now see the first concept, computer networks definition. A computer network is a set of rules, set of computers sharing resources located on or provided by network nodes. Computer networking refers to interconnected computing devices that can exchange data and share resources with each other. A computer network also referred to as a data network is a series of interconnected nodes that can transmit, receive and exchange data, voice and video traffic. So take example, nodes is nothing but computers. In a network includes servers, or modems. Computer networks commonly help endpoint users share resources and to communicate each other. If you see the computer network's definition, it refers to interconnected computing devices that can exchange data and share resources with each other. These network devices use a system of rules called communications protocols to transmit information over physical or wireless technologies. So OSI layer consists of PD and DSP layer. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. So computer networking refers to interconnected computing devices that can exchange data and share resources with each other. Types of computer networks: local area network. Local area networks connect computers and peripheral devices in a limited physical area, such as a business office or laboratory or college campus, by means of links that transmit data rapidly. Wide area network. So wide area network connect computers and smaller networks to large networks over greater geographic areas, including different continents, like personal area network, wireless LAN, local area network, metropolitan area network. See here, two basic network types are local area network, wide area network. LANs connect computers and peripheral devices in a limited physical area, such as business office, laboratory, or college campus, by means of links like wires, Ethernet cables, fiber optics, Wi-Fi that transmit data rapidly. Types of networks: personal area network, that is called PAN; local area network, that is called LAN; metropolitan area network, MAN; wide area network, WAN; wireless local area network, WLAN; storage area network, SAN; virtual private network. These are the 7 types of uh, computer networks. What is the concepts of computer networking? Computer networks. There are 7 layers in OSI model: open, open system interconnected. OSI stands for open source interconnection. So physical layer, it is responsible for transmitting and receiving data over transmission media. Data link layer, it defines the format of data on the network. Network layer, it will decides which physical path the data will take. Transport layer, it is responsible for delivering messages between networked hosts. Session layer, it is responsible for establishing, maintaining and terminating the sessions. Presentation layer, it is responsible for converting data into standard format. Application layer, it is a human computer interaction layer where applications can access the network services.